just a choice between.
Today, I am here in the Museum of the Future.
It's not half the life the movies say it's supposed to be. My childhood fairy tales have played the cool joke on me. I'm not gonna settle here, I'm not gonna ask for much. Don't wanna be afraid of the little things, the paper cuts. So many times I felt like all the knives are thrown at me, but I'm just dodging them clean, cause I'm just rolling with it. Making blueprint plans, letting the cat out the bag so soon. I'm not a fool. Like
mga maday nagkaudog pa ko. Ha? Siyempre pati pag udo ibablog ko na yan. Yan ako hindi sa CR ng Emirates Tower. Ulog ka tulak ko bigla. Naliputan? Kala ko na iusig di sa Dubai ang lipot-lipot. Ha? Ay, siram. Ay, nakaraos-raos.
If you want to see inside of this building, just watch the vlog of Nas Daily. Well, let me show you.
At dito ipinakita kung gaano ka-advance ang museum na to. Nakikita dito ang iba't ibang species ng halaman at ang 2,400 na species ng mga hayop, at makikita mo rin dito yung space. Yan nga, makikita nyo dito ang iba't ibang technology gaya ng drone, mga supercar at robotic dogs. Ayan, dito mo makikita sa loob ng Museum of the Future. So ayan nga, nakakalungkot hindi ako nakapasok. At salamat kay Nas Daily. For full video, just in the description, para makita nyo yung full video ni Nas Daily, para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano yung nasa loob ng Museum of the Future. At yan, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito na lamang ang ating video. So maikli lang kasi hindi ako nakapag-video ng marami dahil nga sa wala tayong ticket, and nalaman ko na lang lately yung kailangan mo mag-book para makabil ka ng ticket, and yung ticket is 100 dirham para ma-access mo yung loob. And so hanggang dito na lamang, maraming salamat, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook page and TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga madayan. Let's go!